Now, recall that Section 2 covered questions 4 and 5. Let's take a look at them. First, it gave us math terms. An explicit formula for an arithmetic sequence describes any term in the sequence using the first term and the common difference. An explicit formula for a sequence allows you to compute any term in the sequence without computing all the terms before it. Number 4, develop an explicit formula for the toothpick sequence using the first term and the common difference. Well, the first term of the sequence is A1 equals 8. The second term is A2 equals 8 plus 6. The third term is A3 equals 8 plus 6 plus 6. Or A3 equals 8 plus 2 times 6. It says, write an expression for the fourth term using the value of A1 and the common difference. So this time it's going to be 8 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, or I could rewrite that as 8 plus 3 times 6. Let's take a look at B. B says, express regularity using the pattern you have observed to determine the 15th term and justify your reasoning. Well, I feel like if you notice, we have 2 times 6. Well, 2 is 1 less than 3, right? Here we have 3 times 6, and 3 is 1 less than the fourth term. So I think we might be doing 8 plus 14 times 6. Which equals 92. The pattern is to multiply 6 which is the common difference, and we're going to multiply this, times 1 less than the number and that should be the term number, sorry. And then add 8 to it, which is the first term. All right, let's take a look at C. Write an expression that could be used to find the nth term for the toothpick sequence. Well, we know in every single one of these, we have an equals 8. That's always there, right? We had that 8. We're going to add n minus 1, which is the term before the term we're at. Okay. 1 less than our term number. If our term number is n, we would do n minus 1. And we would multiply that by 6. Well, let's do some adding and moving around here. In order to get rid of these parentheses, we would always use the distributive property, right? So we're going to have 8 plus 6n minus 6. Even if the number is in the back, we can still multiply it into that parenthesis set. Now, we have like terms. We have 8 and we have negative 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. So I got 2 plus 6n. Let's take a look at question 5. Question 5 says, the formula you wrote in 4C is the explicit formula for the toothpick sequence. For any arithmetic sequence, A1 refers to the first term, and D refers to the common difference. Write the explicit formula for finding the nth term of any arithmetic sequence, so any general arithmetic sequence. Well, what we would do is we would say AN equals. The first thing that came into play was the 8, which was my A1. So AN equals A1 plus, what did we have next? Oh, N minus 1. Always the term before its number times, where did that 6 come from? That was my common difference. So times D. On to the next set of questions.